Part 4. There are 3 things I have to do today. It's cleaning, hammering, and welding. Oh, and I forgot one part. It's painting, because I have to make sure it doesn't rust. So I'm going to be fixing this. Of course I won't be able to remove all the rust, but I try to remove the most of it. I am trying to be careful because I don't want to cut the second layer. I just want to remove the first layer, and I'm trying to clean as much rust as possible. Next, I'm going to be removing more rust using this rust remover, which converts, deoxidizes it. I don't know. It does something, and it does help, but you have to wait 12 hours for it to take the full effect. I try to apply it everywhere where I see rust, so you know, to stop it from spreading more and more. If you ever work with rust like this, I would suggest using a sandblaster, but currently I don't have one, so I'm just going to be working with what I have. There are quite the layers of rust, so I'm just using a hammer to remove it faster. It just peels off. Okay guys, let's see how did the cleaning turned out. I think it's pretty good, but it's not the best clean. Yeah, it's hard to clean it super well. Now I have to let the rust remover stay there for 12 hours for it to fully take an effect. This is the next day. As you can see, the corner there we cleaned yesterday is white now, because the rust remover has done something. And also you can see we are welding up one more hole that's left on this side. There's more holes left on the other side though.